Servus, das ist der Helmut von der Janker Filmschmiede. Heute wird wieder Rasen gemäht und wie man das am schnellsten und einfachsten im Eiltempo macht, das zeige ich euch mit einem kleinen Tipp und Tricks, nämlich per Timelapse. Viel Spaß dann beim Zuschauen. Euer Helmut, Janker Filmschmiede.
Okay.
The Pope takes a poop and the President too, and the fancy dance banker in his three-piece suit, the big fat general and all of his troops. The truth of the matter is everybody poops. The famous brain surgeon has to leave his lump, and the high-priced model has to stop for a dump. But can the sides of Canada can't spray away the truth, 'cause even if they don't admit it, everybody poops. Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Some days it's easy, other days it's hard, but if your system's working, thank your lucky stars. Nobody talks about it, not a word is said. But if you're not pooping, then it means you're probably dead. The destitute and homeless have to do it, it's true. But even all the wealthy people got to make do. Live long enough, it's happening to you. Sooner or later, everybody poops.
Fertig. Fast fertig.
Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Death and taxes and
Ah, fertig. Also ich bedanke mich fürs Mithelfen bei euch. Ich freue mich, dass ihr mir geholfen habt. Aber es ist so schnell gegangen, das ist echt brutal. Also vielen Dank dafür, für die große Hilfe, fürs Reinschauen. Euer Helmut, die Janker Filmschmiede. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Servus.